Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Color LaserJet MFP 178nw printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP Color LaserJet MFP 178nw printer driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. Here we find our printer name. Open the first link. Official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name. Here we find our operating system. If operating system is not right or bit is not right, then click at here, choose a different OS, select Windows. And in version, select Windows 10 32-bit if your operating system is Windows 10 and bit is 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the update. This refresh our page. After that, scroll down. And here we find installation software and full basic driver support, print and scan functionality only. Go there. Here we find our drivers recommended. Click on this download. Click on download. It's redirect you to the another web page and download is started at the top. Here we find our download started. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. And here we find our setup file and we are going to install this setup file. Right click on it. Click on the run as administrator. Click on run as administrator. Wait for a few seconds. Click on yes. It is extracting or unzipping our files. After that, here we find our setup. Click on the next. Here we find the terms and conditions. Check these two things. Check these two things. Select these two things and click on the next. Here we find multiple things. If you want to USB connection, then select USB, network, then network connection, wireless, then wireless connection. And if you want to attach your printer later, then just select this option. I go with the USB connection. I select the USB connection and click on the next. After that, attach your printer by USB to your PC or laptop and power on our printer. And after that, click on the next. And here we find some option. It is automatically select these three options. You can want to select these two options, then select these two options also. And if you want to change the printer name, then click on here advanced options. Click on the advanced option. Here we find many options. I go with the name NW. I change it with the NW. You can give any name that you want. I give the printer name HP Color Laser HP Color Laser MFP 178nw. You can give any name and click on the OK. After that, click on the next. Click on the next. Now it is installing our printer and it's take few seconds or few minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our installation process is started and it's first install our printer, then all things. After that, click on the finish. Click on the finish. Now check our printer is properly working or not. Go to start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, if you find your printer name HP Color Laser MFP 178nw, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.